Hi everyone. So I think it's proper for me to record this lecture instead of the previous method that I asked you to watch. Okay. So in the first chapter we will be learning about ordinary differential equation or ODE. What does it mean by integrating factor here? Integrating factor is the way or the method on how we're going to solve the ODE at the first degree. Okay, now we want to see what is ODE and what is first degree. So this is ordinary differential equation. Okay, and what does it mean by first order? First order is the highest derivative involved is only the first derivative. So this is first derivative. So if it is second order, it will be like this. Okay? Okay, and this is the standard form for the linear first order ODE, dy over dx plus pxy equal to qx, where p and q are function of x and may be constant. Okay? So this is the steps on how you should solve first ODE equation using integrating factor. Okay, and I'm going to give this in a simpler form later on. So I think it's better if we look at some of the sample question first. So this jadual I will give in the exam. Okay, dalam exam saya akan bagi jadual ni, so you don't have to worry to memorize everything. So but this is a simple derivative and integration formula. Okay, so now I'm going straight to exercise 2. Okay, because I think exercise 1 is not that hard. Okay, so sorry. Okay, so this is the equation. X dy over dx plus 2y equal to 10x square. And this is the condition is when x equal to 1. What does it mean here is when x equal to 1, y equal to 3. So we're going to use this condition when we want to find the value of c here. Okay, so now looking at this equation, is it in the standard form, you think? No, it's not in standard form. What does it mean by it is in standard form? So we have to manipulate it so it will become like this. This is the standard form. So what do we have to do now? We have to divide everything with x. So it will be dy over dx plus 2y over x equal to 10x. Okay, and now can we identify what is p and what is q? So p here is 2 over x and q is 10x. Okay, like it says here. So in the first step, what we should do is, first step identify IF or integrating factor. So the integrating factor is, how to find it? Okay, this is the equation to find integrating factor. E to the power of the integration of px dx. So what is px here? px is e to the power of 2 over x dx. So 2 can be put outside here, leaving with 1 over x dx. And the integration of 1 over x will give you ln x. Okay, and this can further be manipulated into this. Okay, e and ln can be cancelled out together, leaving it with x squared. Okay, so that is the first step. Okay, now we're going to do the second step. Second step is rewrite both sides. Okay, to be like in this form, d dx. If is the integrating factor that you have obtained earlier, times with y, and if times with qx. So we're going to do it here. We're going to apply this to this question here. So if here is x squared times y, and if is x squared times qx is 10x. So what do we have here? Okay, then you will have this equation. Okay, and then thirdly is you should integrate both sides. So integration of both sides. Okay, let's do this here. Okay, d over dx, x squared dot y, then x cubed dx. Okay, d over dx jumpa dengan integration can be cancel out, leaving you with this. And the integration of 10x cube will get you what? Okay, 10x to the power of 4 over 4 plus c, which can be simplified into this. So, and fourthly, the fourth step is let y be the focal point Okay, so then let y be the focal point. Okay, transfer everything and just leave y here on the left hand side. Okay, which will give you this. Okay, so now we have answered half of the question. Okay, some problem here. Okay, just now we have y 5 over 2x squared, y 5 over 2x squared plus c over x squared. Okay, and this is when this existing condition comes handy. So as I have explained here, what does it mean is when x equal to 1, y equal to 3, and you apply that condition in this equation. So, and you have slot in everything, you will have the final answer, which is c equal to 1 over 2, and put in c the value of 1 over 2 in this equation back, leaving you with this. Okay, so now we're going to do exercise 3. So exercise 3 is again not in the standard form. So what do? You divide everything with x, leaving you with dy dx minus 2 over xy equal to x cube sine x. Okay, this is okay, and then the next step is integrating factor. So the integrating factor is e px dx. Okay, what is p here? P is minus 2 over x. Okay, don't forget that minus sign. Okay, minus 2 over x dx. And minus 2 can be put outside, leaving you with 1 over x dx. Okay, the integration of 1 over x is ln x. Okay, this is kind of similar, right, to the previous integrating factor. So minus 2 can be put here, leaving you with x to the power of minus 2, which is also equal to 1 over x squared. So here you go. And then the next steps. The next step is multiply the equation. So d dx sorry. So d dx is so this is okay. So next step is we want to multiply the equation. Multiply with this. Okay, you have to remember this. There is no other way. Okay, if times with qx. So if times y here, and if times qx. So what is, okay, I'll show you here. So 1 over x squared times with qx. So qx is x squared sine x. Okay, is it so? X squared, x ni lah, x cube sine x. So leaving you with x sine x. Okay, like this here. Okay, and then integrate both sides. So this part here is easy. You just cancel it. Cancel d dx with the integration, and then leaving you with this. Okay. To solve this equation here, you have to use this formula. Okay, where u is, okay, look from here. Okay, look from here. So where u is x and du dx is 1. Okay, and dv dx is sine x, and v is integration of v, we will get minus cos x. Okay, and then putting it back here, uv. So uv is x times with minus cos x, and you will get this minus x cos x minus with, okay, I think I have to write this down. Let me erase something first. Okay, so we want to solve it using this formula. Sorry, there's some problem. Okay. Jeez. Okay, UV minus V du dx. So what is u here? U is x times with minus cos x. Okay, then minus with v. What is v? V is minus cos x times with du dx is 1 times with dx. Okay, so this can be simplified into like this: negative x cos x, and then we take out the minus sign here. So sekarang ni tambah and leaving you to integrate cos x dx only. So the integration of cos x will give you sin x plus sin x plus c. So this is it. Okay, so as I said earlier, the final step is to leave y at the left hand side. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, okay, so that conclude this subchapter. So for tomorrow we're going to do some hands-on tutorial. Okay, bye, see you guys.